anybody notice?
Why, chef? Because you see that right there? Run them.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am, I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am, I am.
Good night, welcome back to another vlogging vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev, and to all my OGs. Hey, how you doing? How are all my new subscribers and my OGs doing? How are you guys doing? How's everybody doing? Comment in the comment section down below and let me know how you're doing. And if you're watching and you have not subscribed as yet, please remember to hit the subscribe button. And if you're watching and you have not liked this video as yet, please remember to like the video. The first thing you do when you click on the video is you like the video. Okay? Alright, now let's get into today's video. Now, does anybody notice anything? Does anybody notice anything? Did anybody notice anything at all? What do you notice? Do you like it? I got on makeup and I did it. I did it, chat. I did it all by myself. All by myself, guys. I did it all by myself. I'm gonna call my cousin when I'm finished talking to you guys. I did it all by myself. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Look at the brows. Look at the brows. This one could have been cleaned up a little bit better. I don't have on any... Hold on, help me call. Yes, baby? I don't have on any mascara. I have this mascara here, but I'm not sure. Should I try it? Let's try it. It's like a cheap mascara. I bought it in a wholesale. Cause I don't really have on much lashes. I have to go in, guys, so give me a minute. I messed it up a little bit. I messed up my makeup over here. Okay, so yeah. The only thing we're missing blush. We're missing contour. We don't have no contour. We don't have none of that on. That's it. We're missing blush, we're missing contour. But otherwise, I think it looks good. How does it look to you guys? Is there much of a separation? I can somewhat tell the separation. Here, I can't, but on camera, I can see a little bit of a separation. Of course, I have to throw the wig on to, just give it more of a look, right? Yeah. So what did I use? I used my Juvia's Place in the color 240 Legos. I used this as primer. This is what Mirror gave me, or what I bought from Mirror. Tell me if concealer under my eye on here is good. I'm not sure. I used Toast. My cousin told me to buy Chestnut. And then Mirror gave me this. I don't know what color it is. Cream de la Cream concealer. Bought this. Weightless blurring foundation in the color 225. This would have been the loose powder, so they told me to use this as loose powder. This is weightless blurring powder 745. This I would have used to, mattify or go over all the makeup. For the lippy, I did the dark Juvia's Place. Remember, I was telling you the Juvia's Place that I said I don't like. Yes, I did that one, and then the lip combo. So that's what I have on right now. So I'm not gonna lie, I feel real cute. I feel real cute and girly. I want to keep it on until my husband comes, but we have water problem where I live, so I don't want to go keep it on and then he comes and then water goes away and then I can't wash off my face the way how I want to wash off my face. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I feel so cute right now. This makes me feel like I can actually probably do my makeup for my son's graduation and for the picnic with the girlies. This makes me feel that way. I'm gonna call my girls and show them and hear what they say. I'm gonna make you guys hear what they say. And I can't show you guys them because next thing they're not properly attired or them head look mad or something, so I don't want to show you guys them.
Okay, Tina Turner. Where are you going?
I ain't going nowhere. I'm practicing.
Yeah, practicing on your makeup.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
So you know you gotta put on the wig to make it feel a little more.
I know.
Yeah. It's coming on.
Okay.
Only thing missing is the contour and the blush, but it's coming on. One thing I live. Chanel.
So much that I could tell you, 'cause I've really been through the rough. But one thing your goodness has taught me. You have that in the back, lift that up, sing it. Praise God. Oh, He is good, is so good. Lift that up, lift that up.
Hello.
Hi guys. As you can see, we're outside. I have a local family day. Hobby, of course, is very, very busy. My husband is a very, very busy man. So he's doing what husbands and fathers do best. And this is why I have to make Father's Day extremely special for him this year. But as we get closer to Father's Day, we'll talk about it. Boys, in the pool! So the boys had a pool before. But I think something outside probably bored a hole or something, I don't know. So for them pool now work. Then my tub now, I realized that the bottom part of it looks like there's a leaking. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to look into another one. Maybe not for now, but yeah. So we're just outside chilling today. Good morning guys, good morning. Welcome back to another day in the vloggy vlog. Today's Tuesday. The kids are still home from holiday. They go back to school tomorrow and I am working. So I'm just coming to update you guys on this week. So this week is the week of the picnic. The picnic is on Saturday with my cousins. So this week I'm just going to be doing like a little prep for that. I have my snacks that I need to buy in the color pink. I have I think that's all that I really need to do. I have a cake that I need to pick up. Some gifts that I had bought yesterday. that I need to pick up from Knutsford when they sent off from Knutsford. So hopefully by tomorrow, Thursday, I can have those. I don't want this vlog to be too long because I know the girlies are not sitting and are not staying for the whole entire vlog. So I don't want to bore you guys, I don't want to bore you guys, but I'll talk to you guys in the next portion of the vlog. I just wanted to come and say good morning, and I hope you guys are enjoying your week so far. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another day in the vloggy vlog. So I have some good news. Well, do I have good news? I'm not even sure. I have some bad news. So remember how I was telling you guys that I have the picnic with my cousins this weekend? I remember how I was telling you guys that this week would be the boys' career day? Well, all of that is being cancelled. Why, Chef? Because my oldest has chickenpox. And I've never had chickenpox before, so I'm potentially, another victim to the chickenpox. My husband's like, I've never seen chickenpox in adults before. I'm like, but it exists, babe. TikTok it, Google it. It happens. It's not only kids alone that have it. So all that career day stuff that I planned for, down the drain. But I'm going to put it on them on Friday. And yeah, so AJ won't be at school either because, once one has it, there's a likely chance that the other is also going to have it. So yeah, I'm just preparing myself for this. I'm hoping that I don't actually catch it, but I mean, it's inevitable for me not to catch it. My husband had it before, so he's not going to catch it. So only me and AJ are at risk of catching it. So that's that. I'm disappointed because I really was excited about career day, and I was really excited about chilling out with my girls and for my girls to see the gifts and for me to see the gifts that my girls got, and just overall just having a grand time. But you see, all things work out the way how it's supposed to. So sometimes we're just like, oh, why this had to happen? That I am not going to sit here and be like, oh, why? No, I'm not going to do that. I was going to color and I was like, nah, go outside, touch grass a little bit. Yeah. This is why I need like a table outside, like a outside settings. I need like a outside settings where I can come outside and I can color if I want to color. I can just come outside, look at the sky if I want to. I just need like an outside setup. But right now, life, I don't know about you guys, but for me, life doesn't seem exciting anymore. Life doesn't seem very promising anymore. At least this life doesn't seem very exciting or promising anymore. With everything that's going on around the world, it doesn't seem promising at all. Cuba right now doesn't have any oil. This morning I was talking to my husband. My husband is saying that currently Jamaica doesn't have any, is low on diesel. So we are soon probably not going to have any oil either. So I don't know if you guys are taking in what's going on in the world, but all I have to say to you is that if you do not know Jesus as your personal Lord and Savior, get to know him now. If you do not have a relationship with Jesus, get to know Jesus now. Whether you are in America, wherever you are in the world, just know that something is coming for the whole entire world. And I know a lot of you don't believe that, and I know a lot of you, but the days are dark. And if you read your Bible, these are the things that the Bible tells us about. These are the things that we were warned about, right? Maybe not necessarily oil shortage to the exact, but the Bible tells us about things that are going to happen. Perilous times. So all I have to say to every one of you who do not know Jesus as your personal Lord and Savior, get to know him. Okay? Show you something real quick. Look at this. That's the whole tree growing on the side of the building. Okay? It looks like it's a dwarf tree. I don't know what kind of tree it is, but that's a whole tree.
that just shows me that you can grow anywhere. You can grow anywhere. No matter what your environment is, no matter what, you can grow.
Hey guys, so it is 8:36 in the night, and he was sleeping. He was knocked out, and he woke up screaming down the place. And that's because he's itchy. Before he went to bed, I did give him his the allergy medicine, or whatever medicine it is that they prescribed for me to give to him. I did give him that, and I did give him the Panadol as well. I just put on some chamomile lotion on him, as you guys can see, to help him with the relief. Yeah. Listen, motherhood is no joke, okay? Motherhood is absolutely no joke. So you see, if your mom or parents and people try to talk down to you, run them, because this thing here named parenting, and especially for us as mothers, I got you, baby. Remember, I will never hurt you, okay? I will never hurt you. I'm just cutting your fingernails. They hate cutting their fingernails. Guys, good night. Welcome back to another day in the vloggy vlog. So as you can see, girl is here doing some things, right? So I did my makeup again. I've been practicing. It's been on for maybe about a couple hours good now. I started for after 5, so it's on for a couple hours good now. How does it look tonight? Instead of using the Juvia's Place, I used the LA Girl Pro Foundation in this color. This seemed a little bit more darker to me than the Juvia's Place. The Juvia's Place was more, it was another shade. But anyways, we're doing this wig now, right? I'm not sure how it's going to turn out because it's been giving me a warm time. I have been at it for a couple hours. So I'm gonna take off the band now, because I have been I'm afraid this feel like this I got stuck, and if I could have the white cast. Oh god, this feel like if I could have the white cast. Yep. So in the midst of doing this, my dryer broke. Alright, we're not going too bad, guys. We're not going too bad. We're not going too bad. Boy. We're not going too bad at all. I'm not sure. Alright, so I kept having little rippling right here. So I don't know what to do about that. I have no idea what to do about that. So I'm going to turn you guys a little bit this way, so that way I can look into the mirror, see what's going on. Alright, are we melted? I think we're melted. Are we melted, guys? I think so. I'm not entirely sure. I think so. For the most part, I think so. We're melted. Alright, so instead of putting on foundation, I never get it right with foundation. I'm gonna use this tinted mousse. What else was I supposed to do at this point? I'm not cutting the lace, because I feel like if I cut the lace, I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna cut it real bad. So, this is the next side. This side, I lost a lot of hair on this side from the last install. So yeah. I don't want to trouble the lace because I'm not there yet, I'm not there yet. So I got this Ebin tinted lace mousse in the color medium dark brown. So I'm gonna put it on my hand. This is what it looks like when I put it on my hand. I try to get things that's going to make the process easy for me as a girl who does not know much about these things. So you see that? You can kind of barely see it. It's gonna dry, so when it dries, I know my husband is gonna be so shocked when he comes home and sees me. He's gonna be like, "You did your hair? You did your hair?" And I said, "Oh, baby, you look pretty, my dolly, you look nice." I don't really care for the term dolly, but if I call me a dolly, so I'm a husband's dolly, so what can I do about it? Alright, so I'm gonna, once again, my blow dryer is gone. So I have no blow dryer at the moment. So you guys can see you see the lace? It's a bit darker than me. But you see, it kind of gets the job done in terms of like the makeup part, where I don't have to be putting on foundation. Guys, so quick question. Do you guys watch my vlogs to watch my vlogs, or do you watch my vlog to support another small creator? Like, if you were a regular girly or a guy, but mostly girls, because right now I know mostly girls. If you were a regular girl passing by, well, majority of you were just passing by, I think. Alright, so see my problem right here? This is rippling, and I've been fixing it every minute. Over here is... But if you were like a regular guy or a girl passing by, because I know a lot of persons who do tune into my channel, you guys are also content creators as well. You guys also do YouTube. But if you were passing my channel, would you still watch me? Same way? Would you still watch me? Guys, I'm a little frustrated. I don't know what to do. I've been with you guys for like 8 minutes now, so I'm gonna do all of that, come back to you guys and stuff, because I don't want to have you guys here for long. Like the last vlog, the unboxing that I did, that unboxing was crazy long. Why did you guys say anything? Like, I edit the vlog, and even in editing the vlog, I didn't realize it was that long. But when I watched it, it was long, guys. Like, it's okay to tell me that, Chef, no man, unboxing, it was long. Don't do it again. It's okay. You can tell me. Because the truth is, I've been hiding unboxings from you guys because I just felt like, I said it before, I just felt like it felt a bit selfish, but then you guys were like, no, share. And stuff like that. Oh, by the way, Amazon links in the bio. My coloring book link in the bio. I also have a birthday wish list in the bio. So if you want to get me something for my birthday is August the 16th. God sparing life and all things are well. If you want to get me something for my birthday, the wish list is in the bio. And also, all the music that I play in my vlogs, they come from Epidemic Sound. And if you want to sign up with Epidemic Sound, you get 30 days for free. You can go ahead and click the link in my bio down where all my socials are. You can click the link there, get 30 days for free. And, let your girl, I don't think I get coins. I think I get like some days free or some, I don't remember how it goes, but yeah, as a referral. So, go down, get you free music for 30 days. And yeah, I like the music from Epidemic Zone compared to YouTube, because when you get it off of YouTube, you're still at risk for copyright, and I kept getting copyright flags when I was taking music from YouTube. So now I don't have to get copyright flags. All you do is you sign up, you sign up your platforms. So you have YouTube, if you have TikTok, if you have Instagram, you put all your platforms on there. So when you do use their music and they are notified that their music is being played or used, you won't get copyright. So I like Epidemic Sound for that. So go ahead and check them out. Link in my bio. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to the last day in the vloggy vlog. So the wig curls, they're okay. Not really curling. Over here curls better than over here. I don't know why, but I'm not letting it stress me. The lace is not lacing. The lace is garbage right now. It looks like trash. I'm actually planning to take it off and try to do it again because the lace slipped. It seemed like it slipped back a little bit more, or when I had it tied down and take the thing off, it's tearing the lace off. So because it's tearing the lace off, I'm seeing my hair, which I wasn't seeing my hair last night. So I don't know what happened. I don't know if it slipped back while I was sleeping or what it was. I don't know. I thank you guys for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's vloggy vlog. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you guys. Bye.